Hello, welcome. Uh, Today we are going to learn about Tally, but specifically we are going to learn about how to create a debit note or a purchase return bill in Tally ERP9. You go and open your program. From the gateway, you open. You double click on Open Company. Then from the company list, you click on your company name. You go to Accounting Vouchers. You have two ways to do this. Either you click here on the debit note, or you press Ctrl together with the F9 to go into a debit mode, a debit note menu. But for me, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click here on the debit note. Okay. From the reference, you can decide to leave it like that. Party name, you look for that supplier who sold who sold goods to you. uh, the debit note means that you are rejecting some items which has been damaged on arrival, or which are damaged before the warranty ends. Okay, that is that is when you need the debit note or purchase purchase return voucher. Okay, you double click on PCL Limited because this was the supplier for the laptops. I found that some two laptops are having some issues. One is not powering, and another one is has a keyboard problem. Okay, press enter. Now from here, order number, we select the number which we used to purchase the laptops or to purchase the goods. You enter. From here, you can just end list. Okay, reference we don't need. Press enter. Okay. Purchase ledger, it is a purchase account. From here, we want to remove two laptops which we don't need, which are damaged. So and the two laptops are making 3 million. Okay, end list. Enter. So now our stock has been reduced by two pieces of Dell Inspiron laptops, and those pieces we have returned them to the supplier because they are damaged. Thank you guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, because that is the best way you can support my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.